welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have a wig unit sent from Beautyforever Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys, and make sure you guys bear with me through this hair video because I am still sick. We're going on week 2 literally of me being sick. It's crazy. But anyways, back to this hair unboxing. I received 2 of everything. I don't know, 2 HD wig caps, 2 baby hair wraps, and some press-on nails and things of that such. So this is the wig straight out of the box. As you guys could see, it has pre-everything going on, pre-baby hairs, molded baby hairs, and also, as you guys could see, this hair could definitely use a little bit of activation of those curls because it really doesn't look like a thing. But anyways, as you guys can see, I am using my elastic band, the additional one. And I like to use those for my glueless wig units because that's how it's going to really fit snug on your head, you guys. So I do use it for those. Now, if you guys were wondering for the specs of this hair video, this is being marketed as a bye-bye knots wig, meaning it's pre-everything. You can barely see the knots on this wig unit. It's pre-bleached. It's also a 7x5 closure in the water wave texture and also in 24 inches. So now when it comes to me prepping this wig unit, the only thing I did was wet my hair, submerge the hair in water. I got my curl defining brush and I just ran the brush through about 3 or 4 times or so. And make sure when you guys do this, you get the back. And then I just sit it outside on my balcony to air dry, and that's it. You guys are always commenting or making statements of how my wig looks different than other people's wigs, or how do I get my hair to look so airy and fluffy? And it's just because I don't use product. Product weighs your hair down. Also, you guys know that I don't like really relaxed hair. So if I did want my hair to be weighed down, I would use product. If I was going for that relaxed look, I would definitely use product. But I don't like using product in my hair, you guys. So I always come on camera with my hair already curl defined because I'm literally just using water and air. So I also don't use the diffusers either. I just feel like it's not my look, you guys. It's just what it is. So if you guys are looking for fluffy, airy hair, I highly recommend you guys just use some water and a curl defining brush. That's it. That's all. You guys know that this is a bye-bye knots wig unit. So it comes pre-everything, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut lace, pre-cut baby hairs, and also is pre-parted as well, you guys. So this wig is pretty much done for you, but I would say it's 95% done for you. The other 5% you would have to literally customize it on your own. I definitely recommend you guys, of course, activate the curls, no product, and also play with the baby hairs as well, because I feel like the baby hair placements on these bye-bye knot wig units are just a little too close for my liking to the middle part. So I don't know, I just feel like baby hairs are just different for everybody in the placement of them. So I don't recommend you guys keeping the baby hairs on this wig unit. Play with them, of course. You know, we all have different face shapes and face structures, so what looks good on me may not look good on you, and vice versa, you know. So just play with your baby hairs, you guys. I do love the convenience of these wig units because you're literally just able to plop them on, especially after you've worn it and got it to exactly where you want it. You are literally just putting this wig unit on at this point, right? I also love the bleaching job on this wig unit. A lot of these wigs, you guys, can come over bleached and over plucked, especially when they're being marketed as these pre-everything wigs. However, I do think that this company did a good job with that. I have gotten a few wigs that were over plucked and over bleached, and I did not like them. But this wig is actually really good with the plucking and the bleaching. So I actually did not have to do any plucking to this wig unit, you guys, and I think I just cut that little piece that you guys just saw. But everything else, this was super easy to put on, and I would later on down in the video show you guys the parting space for the side and my ear tucks and things of that such. But this wig is super secure on my head, you guys. I am using the elastic band that I put on at the very beginning of this hair video. It's super secure. It's not going anywhere at all. And yeah, it's 100% glueless. I do recommend you guys use your detachable elastic band for this wig unit so that you guys could get the most out of it being 100% glueless. So yeah, I absolutely love it, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and let it play out. I'm just going to like pull out the curls and play with my hair a little bit more to fix it up. And then that's pretty much all of the hair video. Make sure you guys stay till the end to see like the deep parting spaces and things of that such. And that's about it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.